gonna replace this intake with this new K&N intake I just got. This intake could have really damaged my car. Starts up here and runs all the way down into the bumper, all the way up here. I was driving home, the engine went into limp mode all of a sudden. It started bucking and going crazy. Check engine lights, all sorts of stuff. And water is just getting sucked right in here. And getting that much water in your engine just isn't good anymore. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is remove this old intake. There's another piece of hard pipe attached to this silicone tube, so I'm going to try to separate those two as well. This big beam. If you have this intake or you're gonna put this intake on, just know it's way easier to go from the bottom instead of trying to wrestle it out from the top. So I'm also noticing this water shield thing has a little damage, and it's not really sealed that way up here, that well up here. So I'm not completely writing off this intake. I'm not like talking bad about it. It's just not right for me. So we're gonna replace it. So this is the K&N kit, what it looks like when it's unboxed. I need to add this to this around here. So it's the next day. I drove to and from work, about an hour of driving. No check engine lights, no weird noises, no rattling, no nothing. It works great. Overall, it's a pretty good intake. Wasn't too bad to install. I don't know if I'd recommend it. It's, I don't know, the plastic tube and everything. It's nice. This just kind of like floats here. So like, it's okay. It could be better. All in all, I would say if you have a 2006 350Z, just keep the stock airbox so you don't have to do any of this or spend any money. But this is definitely better than sucking up water through the front. So that's it for this video. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing. But until then, take it easy.